Okay, coming from
that side, they're coming up. If
this way.
Right onto Snake, they're coming this way.
Okay. Kyk hier die registrasienommer vir my heel eerste.
Yeah, that is FH17 Mike Mike. FH17 Mike Mike. That's a Hilux.
The white one, eh?
A white Toyota Hilux, yeah, we're looking for a white Toyota Hilux.
Okay, Snake.
White
Number
Toyota
FH?
Hilux. FH17 Mike Mike. Yeah, we do. Hold on, let me quickly put in here. Alright. Let's see, okay. Yes, alright, thanks, bye. Thanks, bye. It's going Lancaster.
This is Lancaster in front, yeah.
No, it's.
Not this traffic light, the next one.
Yeah, so it's up ahead then.
Okay, what's the number plate?
F is.
Is it a single cab, double cab?
It's a Legend 45.
Oh, Legend 45, that's fine.
Yeah, white Legend 45.
So hy kon wat snap toe gegaan het?
No, it was just over Lancaster. Go left. It was a FZ. FH17 Mike Mike.
Okay. Let's see now.
Yeah, we've just passed where it updated. So it's going to be here somewhere.
Okay, could have gone right now, eh?
Yeah, no, just waiting.
Any 45, white Legend 45. Just have a look and see. Okay.
There's nothing going in.
Okay.
You say they're going, you think direction Del Park? Van Dyke Street.
Okay, this is Van Dyke here in front of us.
We've got Van Dyke in front of us. I'll quickly go in on the maps here. Let's go here quickly. Alright, 26 1459.0 28 18 08.8. Alright, let me quickly see here. Okay, Van Dyke Street, Engine Pellies.
Go.
Alright, we're going there now. Alright, thank you. Bye.
This is Van Dyke. Okay, so ons reg. Right direction, front.
Yeah, the right direction is just gone off in front here. No, straight over.
Oh, Frix area. Not again.
Okay, it's just off in front here. Not this entrance.
Yeah,
Next
so
one left.
Okay.
Yeah, this. Yeah, coming out right here. Turn left in here.
Okay.
Just around the corner. Watch the truck.
At the engine.
Next to the engine. Carry on, just around the corner after the stop street. Toyota. FF, no, it's not it. It's just around this bend. Just updated now.
Okay.
So it's going over. It's going to go down to Ellsberg Road, watch.
Yes, going right. It's going to go.
Yeah.
die lyn bly. Hy gaan kossies toe.
On the phone, lekker.
Okay. Anton, hallo.
Hi, good day, how are you?
Lekker en you?
Alright, it's on the R54 now, Boundary Road.
I'm on Boundary. I'm on.
Now,
I'm on Boundary right now. Does it have a canopy?
Yes.
This is it.
Alright, we've got it in a number plate.
Yeah, the registration is going to be Foxtrot Hotel 17 Mike Golf Papa.
Okay, that's not the one. Okay, hold fast. Boundary is in front.
Boundary Road, it's on Boundary Road now, crossing that side street. Boundary Road, go towards Legend, then on the R554.
Okay, give me one. I'm on the R554 now.
Alright, that's the right road.
Direction Forsterus.
Yes, that's the correct way.
Alright.
You should find him, you should pick him up somewhere.
Okay, give me a sec. Would I stay online with me?
Yeah, okay, guys, you're looking for a Legend 45. You're looking for a Legend 45. It's right.
Onthou daar het een ingegaan hierso.
Check along the side. Because it's just off behind you on this golf course side.
Maybe that's the unit.
Right here.
Hierso.
Yeah. How's it, but we're here at those cohorts, there's nothing here. Alright, have they got a jam on the car? You say Dawn Park, it's inside Dawn Park.
Give us new
Alright.
codes.
Alright, we'll look for the helicopter. You don't have any cohorts for the in Dawn Park? Alright. Alright, thanks bud. Okay, bye. He says it's inside Dawn Park, they're getting signal. Okay, so it's there, in there.
Hi, good day, how are you?
Lekker en you.
Alright, my check here was they might come soon now with the job. They are putting down the value and I was job. They didn't have a down the phone, Brian.
Okay,
Brian, and he will tell you where he is.
Alright, I'm going to speak to Brian now. Okay, give us the number.
Yeah, Brian is on that, is on that one. Do you have his number?
I have Brian's number.
Yeah, phone Brian, he's on that way, he's on that case.
Perfect. Dankie, Buddha.
Okay, phone
Cheers.
Brian.
Okay, thanks. Cheers. Bye.
Finding the guy now, that's what I was planning to do. How's that? That's a 4.
Oh, it's a 4.
And how's it, but tell me quickly, does the chopper have eyes on it yet? Oh, they're trying to pinpoint. Okay, so they've got signals here where we are. Yeah, we spoke to Brian. Brian's on his way still. He's
got
there
Carnival.
passing Carnival. So we underneath the we underneath the chopper at the moment. Yes. Yes, we're in Dawn Park. The chopper has possible eyes. Alright, I'll speak to him now. Okay, thanks, bye.
Okay, you've got chopper phone number.
No, I've got the guy, the ground crew that's here, Wiseman.
So he was the same.
There goes the legend, there goes the legend. High speed over. See it, went right over. No, straight over. That's gonna be it. Go straight over one, turn left. Turn left, yeah. Yes.
Okay, the vehicle is standing here. Vehicle is just here. I'm standing with the vehicle at the moment. So I'm standing with the car. We're just gonna go and see. Okay, so by you on the roof, give me 1 second. I'm gonna be there now. Hier binne in die hoek, guys. Yes. Dis 'n master jam.
It's 10 and 10 is it? hell.
It's the big one.
Oh, it's a white one. We never saw this thing coming down.
No.
Not a chance. But check the
What
reg.
was the number plate?
It was FH17 Mike. Something like that. It was 17 Mike. No, check DZ44 GT.
Already changed it.
No, we didn't. Yeah.
No, we didn't pass any Legend.
Yeah, so they were ahead of us, but these are must have been flying.
Ja.
See.
Ja, sy het eers gebyt.